Hello everybody, 9:32, 23 seconds, Wednesday, May 15th. This is mini number 1 for the Tails to Astonish 27. Over here are the 20 filled spots. This thing filled in 7 minutes. The reason why I was a little bit delayed in me getting this run is I just wanted to make sure I got all the payments in. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 13. I'm going to randomize 13 times. Whoever comes in first place will get the first 5 open spots in the main automatically assigned to them. Whoever comes in second will get the next 2 open spots in the main automatically assigned to them. Alright? Jesus. Well, I unfortunately rolled the dice twice without paying attention, so the number is now 10. I do apologize. So here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final one, 10. Barney Stars comes in first. Sean Woodman comes in second. Barney gets the first 3. Sean gets the next 2. Time is 9:33. 37